Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the number of cases of coronavirus which are thinning as per my predictions, and Nifty has also touched all-time high 15,500. Although I had said that it will touch between 2nd and 5th, but it has already touched 15,500. Now, I have written this article, COVID-19 cases ease, Nifty touches high as predicted, Venus Gemini catalysmic political changes, Mars Saturn opposition, political flashpoints may trigger. So this article is very important because of the planetary positions in the month of June. In the month of June, so many planetary positions are taking changes are taking place. So that is why I have made this article, although all has been predicted well in advance. And now we talk about, first of all, the coronavirus. Now, the coronavirus cases have eased simply because the major factor is Ketu has lifted its feet from full throttle, leaving the just star and in Anuradha star. It is Ketu is most enigmatic in Jasta and especially in Scorpio. So, finally, when Ketu leaves the sign Scorpio on the 17th March 2022, we will be getting a good relief. But since it has left the star Jasta, we have got lot of relief. The other parameter is that from the 10th of May, the longitudinal distance between Jupiter and Saturn is also increasing. This is my research. And this factor is also responsible for thinning of the coronavirus cases. But Rahu is enigmatic. So I had predicted that Rahu may give unprecedented results and there may be sine curves, and although the number of cases may not be alarming, but they may be stagnant or they may increase or decrease, and they did increase. The cases had gone to 1,94,000, they touched 2,11,000, then again 2,04,000, so like that. But now it seems that Rahu is also not influencing much. But if we lift the lockdowns, then probably Rahu could influence and the number of cases could go up. So in my opinion, the lockdown should not be removed till 11th of June 2021. But you see, the other fear is that after 20th of June, Jupiter will go in retrogression and Saturn is already in retrogression. And the speed of Saturn is slower than speed of Jupiter. So Jupiter will be coming close to Saturn, and especially when Saturn becomes stationary on the 11th October, Jupiter will still be retrograde till 18th of October. So when the longitudinal distance decreases is 16 or less than 16, then there is a fear of the number of cases of coronavirus increasing, and Jupiter will be fallen, debilitated, retrograde, and with Saturn retrograde from 14th September to 20th November. And the distance 16 degrees will be maintained probably till the 2nd of December. So my fear is that the third wave may be there, which will influence the children from 14th September, but to be more precise, from the 11th October to 18th October, and then 3rd and 4th November are critical dates. So this is all as far as the coronavirus is concerned. My predictions are going spot on, 100%. Not even a single astrologer has done all this research. Not even a single astrologer has done a research, and they are talking about other planets. And some astrologers had said that after Venus going in Gemini, the number of cases would increase. Where is the question of Venus? Venus has nothing to do with the number of cases. The diseases and virus are controlled by Ketu and Rahu, especially when they are in adverse motion. So friends, Saturn retrograde is also good because it is going away from Jupiter right now. So till Jupiter goes in retrogression, the number of cases will not increase till 20th of June, definitely. The BSE Sensex has also increased, and as I had mentioned that Nifty will cross 15,500. It has already crossed 15,500 today, consecutive days, and it has crossed all-time high. On the third morning, 3rd June morning, Mercury will go in is retrogression, and it will go back in Taurus. It is said that whenever Mercury changes the sign or mode, then there is some bearish trend for a short period. So on the 3rd, some short correction is not ruled out, but there will be no major, as far as I am concerned, I don't see any major correction till the 11th of June 2021. There may be minor corrections which are not ruled out. Some selling may be there, and again there will be it will be like a sine curve, and the Nifty and BSE Sensex will not have any major correction. This is what my feeling is. But please make sure that I am only making predictions, and I shall not be responsible for any individual, company, corporate investing according to my predictions and having losses. They will be doing it as per their own whims and fancies and their own, and they will be responsible for their losses themselves. So friends, and the third is that after 2nd of June, Mars will be opposing Saturn, and Mars may trigger some flashpoints. And I've already mentioned that there could be a brawl between India and China. The brawl could go for a toss. It is not exactly parallel to October 1962 when Mars and Saturn were opposing each other, but they were afflicted by Rahu and Ketu. The grace is that Rahu and Ketu are not afflicting Mars and Saturn. There could be similar, not exactly similar, something to do with the brawl between India and China could go for a toss, but nothing major, no major war. I don't see any major war with them. There may be brick batting. There could be a brick batting and difference of opinions and talks on the borders. But as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, unrest and a terrorism is not ruled out in Jammu and Kashmir, because the degrees of Mars from 19 to 22 degrees are most prone, because most of the countries where Mars and Saturn are placed at 20-22 degrees, they will be activated, and lot of countries, there can be difference of opinion. The brawl between the countries can go for a toss. I am only talking about India. As far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, there could be terrorism, and India and China brawl could become, it could intensify. There could be brick batting, but not actual war. Actual war is, but there is another parameter is that the solar ingress in Virgo is not good, and Jupiter will be Marak at that time, and there is also Veda between Mars and Saturn. Mars will be in Virgo at that time, and then Saturn will be in Capricorn, and there will be a Veda in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra somewhere in November. So that is a long time to go. That could also influence the coronavirus cases. So when time comes, we will talk about that. And this is all, friends. I just wanted to share that we are in a happy state of affairs, but the government should implement lockdowns, especially till 11th, so that the number of cases come down, and also the total number of cases in India, they go down substantially, so that the coronavirus, the second wave, is controlled. For the third wave, we have to prepare the vaccines for the children, so that before the third wave, the children are also inoculated, and the third wave does not influence much. The intensity of the third wave may not be like the second wave, that is for sure, because there is no Veda between Mars and Saturn in October. So let us see, when time comes I will elaborate more things, but definitely it is not as serious as the second wave and the time between 24th April to 16th of May, which was the most critical time as far as 2021 is concerned. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, that my predictions are going absolutely by the grace of God. Everything is proving whatever I predicted, and take care of yourself and maintain social distancing and have vaccines to take care of coronavirus. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.